if you could see on film how horrid this water is looking. That does not look very nice.
Look at it, the overfalls over there.
Yeah. It's pretty crazy. Oh my god.
That is amazing.
It says 10 knots on there.
There he is. Look at him. What we got on there then?
Some spiky fish.
Swordfish, yeah.
That one.
It really does remind me of Mexico as it was back when I was there in the 90s, you know. Give us a wave in. Hey, hey, hey! Amanda, give us a wave! Yee! Hazel! Hey!
Titanic!
What a truly glorious morning. Have a look at this. After the wind of yesterday. Calm. Hi all, I'm Tony and this is SV Tapatya. She's a self-built J. Benford designed 31-foot 8-inch sailing dory with a junk schooner rig. I built her myself over a period of some 6 years in my backyard and documented the entire build process in this channel. We launched in August of 2023 and went off on 2 months of sea trials, testing her, and then came back for the winter for some upgrades. We launched again in mid-April of this year, 2024, and have since sailed well over 2,000 sea miles down to the very south of Portugal. This channel is all about the adventures of the boat and to see what can be achieved with a low-budget, self-built sailing vessel such as this.
So underway again, on that way back to Culatra. Had a few days on Mona, whatever. Got a full crew on board. There's Amanda.
Hi!
And Elizabeth. And Ginge, over there.
Ginge, I think.
Captain Ginge. Yeah, you would. And Hazel leading the way up ahead. Pretty shallow out here, so we have to be a bit careful. That's us anchored at Culatra, back at Culatra, getting ready to move on. So. And there's Hazel just coming aboard, handing over important wares. You alright, mate?
Yeah. Oh no, I'm still dead.
Still mucky. These things. Incredible creatures, aren't they? Another one here. Well, it's a new day, we're underway. Just pulled up the anchor chain and stowed it away. Elizabeth's here, I'm the tiller. Hello everyone. And yeah, making our way out to Faro Bay and around to a place called Tavira. and it's not far, it's 15 miles I believe, well, of sea, anyhow, plus a bit out of Faro Bay. But it's something where we need to get the tide right, to leave Faro. Tavira won't be an issue because we're going to anchor outside of the entrance there. So, but I say, get the tide right to leave here is important. Plus the daylight, so we got underway fairly early, up at 7, shortly after 7, getting the boat ready to go, and now we're underway, as I said already. So just coming up to the gap, the entrance or the exit in our case from Faro Bay, where we shot through here when we came in at 10.9 knots when we came in. Must have had 7 knots of current with us. Wow! That is amazing. Best part of today was it's much nearer to slack water. We've got what we're doing now, Evie? 4.7. Yeah, so we've got about 0.7 of a knot flowing out of it. It's the top of the tide, no, the bottom of the tide. So just the end of the outflowing tide, and so far so good. Looks completely different to when we came in. Look at that for calm.
And imagine the flow upon that.
Look at that for calm. It is a super calm day. It's the calmest I've seen in a long time. Since Denmark, I'd say, here. Look at this for a calm day. This is, we're out at sea. Incredible, eh? Take it, I guess. Oh, that looks good. Cup of coffee. So, early morning sail. I've just raised the sail, which gets a bit of a glow on you. And we're sailing towards the famous, for people in this part of the world, Guadiana River. I know quite a few people, quite a few famous cruisers have been up this river. I believe I'm right in saying the parties were up here. Leo from Tally Ho went on his folk boat. He was up here, certainly. Quite a few of them. So yeah, we are heading that way. Only gentle morning sail. The wind might drop later, we'll see. But at the moment, full sail. On a glorious morning. Nespa.
Things in life that are better than this.
Yeah, indeed. Coffee and sailing. On a beautiful sunny day. Look at that. Ah, we've got a stiff breeze now. It's coming up with about 11ish. Still under full sail. Probably about the limit of full sail. How's it feel on the tiller? Not too bad. Not too bad. That's the wind indicator, so you get an idea of that. And we're making 4 and a bit knots, aren't we?
Yeah.
Very nice. Making our approaches. We've got the red and green buoys on the bow for the channel into the Guadiana River. Getting quite close to the red now. And, we're going in there. Very exciting.
And there we are, back in Spain, which means, of course, that Tapatya and I have now sailed the entire coast of Portugal this year. And it's been really wonderful, really enjoyed Portugal, beautiful, beautiful country. But back in Spain now and enjoying the culture there, of course. We're on the Guadiana River and we'll be going up there to explore. I'm very much looking forward to that. I say at the start of this video that she's a budget build, and these things, of course, are always relative. I built her for under 40,000 euros, including trucking and launch and everything, and that, of course, spread over the 6-year building period. And I have to say, I'm really enjoying finding out what this boat is capable of. We've come quite a way now. We've come all the way from Baltic Germany down to very close to Gibraltar, let's face it, and the Med is beckoning, and I'm certainly looking forward to getting in there and exploring. And the boat's been great. She's a very comfortable liveaboard and sails easily, and it's been really most enjoyable, and I'm very, very pleased with it, I have to say. Anyhow, that's it for this week. Thank you for watching. Of course, a massive thank you goes out to the wonderful people who support us via Patreon and PayPal, who make this video making possible. I'll see you next time. Bye.